Now, just recently, James Webb Space Telescope has released a couple of absolutely stunning images of the Horsehead Nebula. So let's have a look in this in a bit more detail. Now, the Horsehead Nebula is located in the Orion B molecular cloud, which is in the Orion Nebula, big molecular cloud about 1,300 light years away. This cloud's been forming lots of stars, and those stars have been heating and evaporating the gas that's left over. Now, as it does that, certain dense knots are left over because they're harder to evaporate or take longer to erode and evaporate. And that's what the Horsehead Nebula is. It's a jutting cloud of dark, dense material which is in the process of being eroded. And we think it's probably got about 5 million years left until it's fully eroded. At that time, most likely it will reveal deep within the centre, it's also been forming new stars. Now, as we tune our view into the infrared, this is a HST image in the near-infrared of the Horsehead Nebula taken from a few years ago. Now, near-infrared shows us deeper into the cloud because gas is more transparent in the infrared. We see the light from cooler material which is inside the cloud. So on the surface it's hot, and as we go deeper in it gets cooler and cooler. So here we have these gobsmackingly amazing detailed images of just the tiniest part of the surface of the cloud. And in the near infrared we see the clouds appearing as blue, which represents emission from molecular hydrogen, and then we get these red wispy material on the outside, which is the atomic hydrogen as it's heating up and flowing off the surface. And as we tune our view to the mid-infrared, we're seeing deeper into the cool interior of the cloud, the dust, the silicates and the particles that are a bit like soot called polycyclic aromatic hydrocarbons, pHs, kind of like tiny pieces of dust. So astronomers take these kind of images in order to understand more about what's going on the surface of these clouds, how the gas gets heated, how it gets evaporated, and how it gets eroded over time. But from our point of view, it's just beautiful to look at, isn't it stunning?